Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Tesla software updates, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Tesla app on your smartphone. Log into your Tesla account if you are not already logged in. Once logged in, navigate to the account section within the app. Locate the software updates option in the account settings. If it's not already selected, enable the software update notifications. This will allow you to receive alerts for all upcoming updates. Next, make sure your vehicle is connected to Wi-Fi. A stable connection is essential for downloading updates efficiently. To check your vehicle's connection, enter the car and tap on the touchscreen. Navigate to the settings menu and select Wi-Fi. Ensure that you are connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. After confirming your connection, return to the main screen. Locate the Software tab to check for any available updates. If an update is available, you will see a prompt to download and install it. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the update process. Your vehicle will automatically install updates while parked and connected to Wi-Fi. You can view the progress of the update in the Software section. Once the update is complete, your vehicle will notify you. Regularly check the app for further notifications or updates. Enjoy the new features and improvements as they become available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.